How to share music in Instagram DMs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily send music in the Instagram DMs. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, simply open an existing chat or start a new conversation. And once you are inside the chat, here on the text bar, you can see the plus icon. So simply tap on that. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the stickers. Now once the pop-up menu appear, simply tap on the sticker icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And here you can see the option label music with its icon. So simply tap on that. Now here you can either browse through the suggested tracks or search for a specific song, artist or album. And to preview a song, you can simply tap on the play button next to it. And once you find the song that you want to share, simply tap on it to send it in the chat. And a sticker featuring the album artwork and a record will appear. And when your friend taps on the play button on the sticker, they will be able to listen to a preview of the song, and the record will spin as it plays. And that's all it takes to send a music in Instagram DMs. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.